Welcome to the Bottlbeooks Portfolio. In this video, we're going to learn how to download Excel files, including data files, directly from your portfolio. First, go to your portfolio by clicking on Portfolio up here in the right-hand corner from anywhere in Bottlebooks. First, find the wine that you're looking for. Then, click on it. And here, under Downloads and Files, you will see Data File, XLS. Click on that. You will then have an Excel file in a vertical format with all the information you've entered about your wines, including your bottle shot. If you want to download information in an Excel for multiple products, simply select the various products that you want to download information on. And under Downloads, you can either download individual data files, which will be vertically centered for each individual product, or click on Custom Product List. This will enable you to download an Excel in a horizontal format with the products that you have selected. You can also customize, as you can see up here, the different fields that you want. So you can create a custom Excel that has exactly the information you're looking for, and simply click on Export.